Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're in need of legal assistance and wondering how to find a lawyer near you, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to locate a qualified attorney who can help with your specific legal needs. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Determine your legal needs. Before you start your search, it's crucial to identify your specific legal needs. Whether it's family law, criminal defense, personal injury, or any other area, knowing what you require will narrow down your search and help you find the right lawyer. Step 2. Ask for recommendations. One of the most reliable ways to find a lawyer near you is by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues who have had similar legal issues. They can provide valuable insights and even direct you to reputable attorneys they've worked with. Step 3. Online lawyer directories. Utilize online lawyer directories such as AVU, FindLaw, or the American Bar Association's website. These platforms allow you to search for lawyers by location and practice area, providing detailed profiles and reviews to help you make an informed decision. Step 4. Consult local bar associations. Contact your local bar association or state's bar council. They often have referral services that can connect you with qualified lawyers in your area. These referrals are typically screened for credentials and experience. Step 5. Schedule consultations. Once you've compiled a list of potential lawyers, schedule consultations with them. Most attorneys offer initial consultations for free or at a reduced fee. Use this opportunity to discuss your case, ask questions, and assess whether you feel comfortable working with them. Step 6. Evaluate experience and reputation. During your consultations, inquire about the lawyer's experience and track record in handling cases similar to yours. Check online reviews and testimonials to gauge their reputation and success rate. Step 7. Discuss fees and payment plans. Be sure to discuss fees and payment arrangements up front. Lawyers may charge hourly rates, flat fees, or work on a contingency basis, depending on the type of case. Make sure you understand the financial aspect before making a decision. Step 8. Trust your instincts. Lastly, trust your instincts. It's essential to choose a lawyer you feel comfortable and confident working with. Your attorney should be someone you can trust with your legal matters. Conclusion. In conclusion, finding a lawyer near you involves careful research, recommendations, and consultations. Take your time, ask the right questions, and choose an attorney who best suits your needs. We hope this guide has been helpful to you in your search for legal representation. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.